Hi, welcome to Donnelly Auto Credit, where dreams come true. At Donnelly Auto Credit, we guarantee the best approval and the lowest interest rates in the industry. We have decades of experience on our side, and we also have very competitive pricing, which means you get the best of both worlds in one seamless transaction. We take pride in going above and beyond to ensure the best finances for our clients. Whether you're looking for a new car or a used car, whether you're looking for something foreign or domestic, we've got you covered. At Donnelly Auto Credit, we specialize in working with individuals who has troubles with their credit. If you've had bad credit in the past, if you're rebuilding your credit, or if you're just fairly new to the country, anything you need, regardless of your current status, we are here to assist you, and we approve everyone. At Donnelly Auto Credit, you can enjoy the experience of one point of contact, where your credit specialist will assist you in picking the right vehicle that fits your daily needs, while also keeping your budget in mind and also making sure that you're protected with the loan that you get. Call us today at the number below, and one of our credit specialists will be happy to assist you in the search of your next vehicle. Thank you.